Benelli has launched its latest offering, the 902S. However, the bike made its debut at the Beijing Motor Show and will soon enter the Chinese market. Here's what we know about it. In the front design, there is a bulb-shaped headlight cover with LED projector bulbs stacked vertically on the inside. This is followed by a wide fuel tank placed on an open chassis, looking a bit similar to what we saw on the 502C. The 902S gets one-piece seats with scoops, which makes it look like a powerful cruiser. The motorbike looks attractive, with a combination of sporty and curved design at several points. The heart of the Benelli 902S is an 899cc inline two-cylinder engine capable of producing around 95 horsepower and 80 Nm of torque. This engine is designed to provide smooth and powerful acceleration, ideal for driving in the city or on winding roads. Benelli emphasizes that the engine is optimized for fuel efficiency and responsive throttle response. Aesthetically, the 902S has a modern and aggressive design with smooth lines and a high-quality finish. The steel trellis frame contributes to structural rigidity, while the ergonomics have been carefully adjusted to ensure comfort on long journeys. The bike is equipped with a distinctive LED headlight and a fully digital instrument panel, which provides all the important information in a clear and intuitive way. The 902S is equipped with a range of advanced technological features. These include an adjustable traction control system, customizable riding modes, and standard ABS brakes, which provide safety and easy adaptation to different riding conditions. The inverted front suspension and adjustable rear shock absorbers ensure a smooth and controlled ride, even on uneven terrain. With its imminent launch in Italy, the Benelli 902S is positioned to compete with other medium-large capacity naked bikes, offering an excellent quality-price ratio. The bike is expected to be competitively priced at around 8,000 to 9,000 euros, making it an attractive option for riders looking for high performance without an exorbitant investment.